How to fix HBL app login problem. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to provide you basic troubleshooting steps for you to fix if you cannot log in on HBL application. Now, aside from making sure that the password or username you're trying to input are correct, here's how you can clear cache from the application itself. So you just need to tap and hold on the HBL application, and then hit on I so that you'll be redirected into the application information. So once you're here, scroll down and then choose on storage. So as you can see, there are two specific options below, which is going to be clear data and clear cache. Now you're going to need to execute both of those options. Do not worry, it will not harm your account. It will just reset for some possible crashes or bugs that is ongoing onto the application. Now, once you've done both of these two, all you need to do is to reset or turn off your Wi-Fi if you're using Wi-Fi, or if you're using your mobile data, turn on your airplane mode for a couple of seconds, maybe 5, and then go back into your mobile data on and try to re-log in. And that's how you fix HBL application login problem.